Hey guys, guess what? We have more amazing features that have just dropped in BatchLeads. Check it out. Now you can search millions of MLS descriptions nationwide to target properties primed for fix and flip or renting. You can create stunning 6x9 postcards that really catch property owners' attention. And you can become a master of efficiency with simpler search functions. So check this out. Did you know that real estate agents leave little keyword crumbs in their MLS descriptions? A property primed for fix and flip might say handyman special or needs love. A rental-ready property might use the keywords Airbnb or add to portfolio. So how do we take advantage of these keywords? That's where BatchLeads comes in. Under property search, you'll go to all filters, then MLS status. Under MLS description, you'll type in your keyword or keywords and voila, you can see your keywords right here in each description. Next up, we've got 6x9 postcards. With just a few clicks, you can design stylish direct mail pieces that are more attention-grabbing than ever. Simply select one of our 6x9 postcard templates from the direct mail setup section or create your own. Lastly, we've made it easier than ever to find the properties you're looking for. In the property characteristics section of your filters, you can now select a single option instead of searching through multiple property types. At BatchLeads, we're committed to finding new ways to improve your real estate investing experience. Be on the lookout for some big updates coming soon. And if you're interested in seeing what BatchLeads is all about, check out our 7-day free trial on the link below.